Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Discussing a topic called trigonometric functions. Hope you have gone through the synopsis of this already sent. It's the first period topic, trigonometry. Myself, Abhiram Bharadwaj, lecturer in mathematics. Okay. So, various points regarding trigonometric functions. Lot of things are there actually. You can expect 2 or 3 questions from this topic for CET. Okay, so it's very important. I'll be discussing the questions here directly because only 2 hours time is allotted here. So in this time I have to finish the questions. Then itself I'll be telling the synopsis wherever it's required, the important points to be noted. Okay, various concepts are there in trigonometry, you know. Starting from radian measure, trigonometric identities, standard angles, then we had allied angles, compound angle formula, multiple angle, submultiple angle, all those things, transformation formula, the various concepts involved. Okay, look at the first question. Hope you got the question paper PDF. It's better to write down the questions before itself in a sheet of paper or book. Okay. First question. Given that sin A minus root 6 cos A, sin A minus root 6 cos A is equal to root 7 cos A is equal to root 7 cos A. What you have to find is cos A plus root 6 sin A. This is given. You need to find what is cos A plus root 6 sin A is equal to how much? You have to find out. Okay? So from this, what we do is you take cos A common, sin A is equal to, rearrange this equation. This take it to right hand side. Okay? Take it to right hand side. So what we get, cos A is common among these two terms, cos A into root 7 plus root 6, cos A into root 7 plus root 6. From this we can write this as cos A is equal to sin A divided by root 7 plus root 6. Correct? Cos A sin A by root 7 plus root 6. So next step what we do is we multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay? Root 7 and root 6 are irrational numbers. Correct? Multiply and divide by root 7 minus root 6. Multiply and divide by same factor, root 7 minus root 6, so that it is balanced. Now use a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Difference of 2 squares. Correct? We have the formula. So denominator will be root 7 square, correct, minus root 6 square. This is sin A into root 7 minus root 6, correct. Denominator will be 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, root 7 square is 7, root 6 square is 6, 7 minus 6, 1. So denominator is 1. Open the bracket here, we get root 7 sin A minus root 6 sin A. So from this, what do you get? Cos A plus, rearrange this, root 6 sin A is equal to root 7 sin A. Okay? Similar type of question I given in the homework also. Okay? You can work out that problem. Similar to this. Okay? Sin A minus root 6 cos A equal to root 7 cos A. From this, you define what is cos A plus root 6 sin A. Okay? Take cos A common. Cos A is root 7 plus root 6. Then find what is cos A equal to sin A by root 7 plus root 6. Multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator and go on simplified. You get the answer. Required is cos A plus root 6 sin A, that is equal to root 7 sin A. Okay. Hope it is clear. Simple problem. You'll get the idea by working out more number of problems of this type. Okay. You'll get the idea only if you work out more number of problems. Otherwise, you'll not get. How to start the problem is important always. How to start the problem. Starting step is the most important thing. Okay, we'll get more ideas by working out more number of problems. Okay, so first you take cos A common and rationalize. Second problem, so required answer is root 7 sin A, which is fourth option. Question number second, a cow is tied to a post by a rope. A cow is tied to a post by a rope. The cow moves along the circular path. Cow is tied to a post by a rope like this. Cow moves along a circular path. Cow moves along the circular path. Okay, keeping the rope tied. If it describes 44 meters, it describes 44 meters. Okay, when it has traced an angle of 72 degree at the center, find the length of the rope. Find the length of the rope. Here which formula is applicable? Here we know length of the arc is equal to radius into angle subtended at the center. It is this formula, L equal to r theta. Length of the arc is radius into angle subtended at the center. What you have to find is length of the rope. This is the rope, length of the rope. Cow is moving along the circular path like this. Okay, it describes 44 meters when it has traced an angle of 72 degree at the center. Okay, concept connected to radian measure, problem connected to radian measure. This is, it has traced 72 degree at the center. Okay, whenever you want to use this formula, L equal to r theta, theta has to be in radians. This angle is given in degrees. To convert it to radians, you multiply by pi by 180. Okay, you have to find the length of the rope. This is the length of the rope. Okay, length of the rope is nothing but the radius. Length of the rope is nothing but the radius. Length of the arc is 44 meters. Radius is to find out. Radius of the circle, radius of the sector of the circle will be the length of the rope. They ask to find the length of the rope. That means you have to find the radius of the sector. Okay, theta is 72 degree. Theta is 72 degree. Multiply by pi by 180. So what you get is 2 pi by 5. Okay, whenever you want to convert a degree to radian, you have to multiply by pi by 180. Degrees to radian, you have to convert, multiply by pi by 180. So this is 36 2s are 36 5s are 2 pi by 5. Theta is 2 pi by 5. Simplify this. You cancel 2 1s are 2, 22s are 22 into 5 is 110 is equal to pi into r. Pi is 22 by 7 into r. Okay, 22 1s are 22 5s are. I am using the approximate value of pi. Pi is not exactly equal to 22 by 7. Pi is approximately 22 by 7. Okay, cross multiply. R is equal to 7 into 5 is 35. R is equal to 35 meters. Okay, to get the answer among those options, one of the answer. So we use pi equal to 22 by 7. Actually, they have to mention in the question, use pi equal to 22 by 7. Okay, pi is not exactly equal to 22 by 7, roughly equal to 22 by 7. Pi is roughly equal to 22 by 7. Okay, so simplify to get the answer as radius is nothing but the length of the rope, that is 35 meters. So this is first option. This question was asked in the CET exam earlier in 2009. Okay, CET 2009. Please work out all the NCERT exemplar questions. Okay, and the previous exam CET questions, so that you'll get a better idea how the questions will be asked. What is the level of questions and what kind of questions they're going to ask, will come to know. Okay, so concept of radian measure, problem connected to radian measure. There are various formulas like this. Length of the arc is radius into angle subtended at the center, L equal to r theta. Length of the arc is this, radius is this. Theta is called as the sectorial angle. Theta is called as sectorial angle. Other formulas are there here. Area of the sector, half r square theta. Area of the sector is half r square theta. Perimeter is 2r plus r theta. Okay. Area of the sector is half r square theta. Perimeter of the sector is 2r plus r theta. Perimeter is sum of the sides. This is the radius. This is the radius. This is the length of the arc. Length of the arc is r theta. R plus r. 2r plus L is r theta. 2r plus r theta is the perimeter of the sector. Theta is called as sectorial angle. Pi radians equal to 180 degree. Learn all the concepts connected to radian measure. Move on to the next question, third one. Which of the following is not correct? This question is based on the range of trigonometric function. You must know the domain range of all trigonometric functions. The 6 trigonometric functions, right? Domain of sin x and cos x is R. That means domain is what? All possible values of x. Sin and cos are defined for every real number. Okay? Tan and sec have same domain. All real numbers except odd multiple of pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay? And cot x and cosec x is defined for all real numbers except n pi. You must know the domain of all the 6 trigonometric functions. And the range also. Range of sin x and cos x is closed interval, minus 1 plus 1. Okay? If you take all the 6 trigonometric functions, sin, cos, tan, cot x, secant x and cosec x. These are the 6 trigonometric functions. Sin x range is closed interval, minus 1 plus 1. Cos x is minus 1 plus 1. Tan x and cot x range is r. It takes all real numbers. Secant x and cosec x have the same domain, all real numbers except the open interval, minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay, this is the range of the 6 trigonometric functions. Okay, sin and cos have the same range. Range always lies between the minimum and the maximum values. Okay, so I can tell maximum value of sin x is 1, minimum value is minus 1. Sin x and cos x cannot be greater than 1, cannot be less than minus 1. Okay. Tan and cot will take all real numbers. That means extends from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Secant x and cosec x have same range. All real numbers except the interval minus 1 plus 1. All real numbers except the interval minus 1 plus 1. So remember this. Okay. The 6 trigonometric functions are like this. First option is which of the following is not correct. Sin theta is minus 1 by 4. That is possible. That is correct. Because sin theta takes values between minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 by 5 lies in this interval, correct? Cos theta equal to 1 is possible. Maximum value of cos function is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Secant theta equal to half is not possible. If secant theta is equal to half, then what happens? Cos theta becomes 2, right? If secant theta is 1 by 2, cos theta becomes equal to reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, correct? Cos theta equal to is not possible at all, correct? Cos theta maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. So this is not possible. Secant theta is equal to half is not possible. Is not possible. Secant theta equal to half is not possible. Okay. So which of the following is not true? Answer is third option. Tan theta equal to 20 is possible because 20 is a real number. Tan theta will take all the real numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Tan theta will take all the real numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity. Is that clear? So, various options are given. Among them, which of the following is not correct is third option. Third option is not true. Hope it is clear. Question framed based on the range of the trigonometric functions. Range of the trigonometric function. Next question, number 4. To find the value of this log of sine 1 degree, log of sine 1 degree into log of sine 2 degree etc. Log of sine 89 degree, log of sine 89 degree into log of sine 90 degree. Correct? You must know the concept of logarithms also here. You know the value of sine 90 degree. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Log 1 is 0, right? Sine 90 degree is 1. Sine 90 degree is 1 and log 1 is 0. This becomes 0. 0 into any finite value is going to be 0. So required answer is 0. You must know that value of sine 90 degree is 1. Sin 90 degrees 1. Whenever you discuss a question, no, you discuss the questions related to this also. Okay. Once the question was asked like this, what is the value of cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree, etc. cos 179 degree? Answer is 0 here, right? Because in between we get cos 90, no? Cos 90 itself is 0, right? Hence the product becomes 0. Cos 90 degree is 0, 0 at any finite value is 0. Cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3, etc. cos 179 is equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Is that clear? Hence the product becomes 0. Your sin 90 degree is 1 and log 1 is 0. 0 into any finite number is 0. We do not know the values of this, but the product will become 0. Because sin 90 degree is 1 and log 1 is 0. 0 at any finite number is 0. So required answer is this. For this 0, for this also 0. Is that clear? Similar type of questions you can expect. Okay. So answer is third option for this. Question number 5. If tan 20 degree is equal to P, then tan 160 minus tan 110 by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110. Tan 20 degree is given as P. If tan 20 degree is equal to P, you have to find the value of tan 160 minus tan 110. To find the value of tan 160 minus tan 110 divided by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110. Okay. Tan 20 degree is equal to P. You have to find the value of this. Tan 160 minus tan 110 by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110 is equal to how much? See, options are given in terms of P, right? All the options are given in terms of P. So it express in terms of tan 20. Look at the options also. Whenever you see the question, because it is a multiple choice question, look at the options also. All the options are expressed in terms of P. Right? So what it is, because tan 20 is equal to P, express this in terms of tan 20 or cot 20. If tan 20 is P, cot 20 is 1 by P. Now tan and cot are reciprocal functions. Correct? So what we do is, start with tan 160. Tan 160 degree could be written as tan of 180 minus 20. Tan of 180 minus 20. 180 minus 20 is 160, right? Using the concept of allied angles. 180 means same function. 90 and 270 co-function. 180 and 360 same function, right? 180 means like the same function. 180 means like the same function. Tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Because 160 degree lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant tan function is negative. You know this rule of allied angles. First quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. Second quadrant sin and cosec are positive. Third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Okay. So this is equal to minus p. So tan 160 simplifies to minus p. Okay. 1 plus tan 160 is minus p. Tan 110 you calculate. Tan 110. Tan 110 is equal to tan of 90 plus 20. Tan of 90 plus 20. 90 means cofunction. Cofunction of tan is cot. Whenever you get angles of the type 90 and 270, you have to write the corresponding cofunction. You know, sin and cos are cofunction, right? Sin and cos are cofunction. Sin and cos are cofunction. Sin, cosine. Tan and cot are cofunction. Sec and cosec are cofunction. Sec and cosec are cofunction. For angles of the type 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta, write the corresponding cofunction. For 180 and 360, you write the same function. You must know the rules of 100 angles. Because I express in terms of 90, you write the cofunction. Cofunction of tan is cot. Correct? So this becomes cot 20. 110 is second quadrant angle. Second quadrant tan is negative. Correct? So this becomes again minus 1 by p. Because tan 20 degree is equal to p, cot 20 will be 1 by p. So tan 110 is minus of 1 by p. Tan 110 is minus 1 by p. Simplify this. What do you get? This is minus p plus 1 by p by 1 minus p. Here take LCM p. Correct? 1 minus p square. Correct? Oh, here also it's substitute. This is tan 110 is minus 1 by p here. Denominator. Minus p into minus 1 by p cancels. Minus of minus becomes plus 1. Correct? So we get 1 minus p square divided by 2p. This p is the LCM taken here, comes to denominator. So required answer is 1 minus p square divided by 2p. 1 minus p square by 2p, which is option 2. Second option. Express in terms of tan 20. Tan 160 is tan of 180 minus 20. That is minus tan 20. That is equal to minus p. Tan 110, tan of 90 plus 20. Because I want to express in terms of 20. 90 plus 20 is 110. 180 minus 20 is 160. So this is the answer. 1 minus p square by 2p. Which is option 2. Question number 6. Define the value of tan 10 degree into tan 20 degree, tan 30 degree, etc. tan 80 degree. Define the value of this. Here there are 8 factors. 8 factors are there, correct? Tan 10, tan 20, tan 30, tan 40, tan 50, tan 60, tan 70, tan 80. What we do is, we combine these two, tan 10 degree into tan 80 degree in one bracket. Next one, tan 20 degree into tan 70 degree. Next one, tan 30 degree into tan 60 degree. Okay? Combine like this. Tan 40 into tan 50, like this with it. 10 plus 8 is 90, 20 plus 70 is 90, correct? 13 plus 60 is 90, 40 plus 50 is 90. That's why I combine those functions in brackets. Okay? See that sum of the angles is 90 in each bracket. Sum of the angles is 90. If A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then tan E into tan B is 1. Remember this result. Tan E into tan B is 1. Useful result. Shortcut. If A plus B is 90, the sum of the two angles equal to 90, then product of the tan function value is equal to 1. Tan E into tan B is 1. Tan 10 into tan 80 is 1. Even this is 1. Tan 13, tan 60 is 1. Tan 14, tan 50 is 1. So required answer is 1. Is that clear? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 10 plus 80 is 90. 20 plus 70 is 90. Sum of the two angles equal to 90, then the product of the tan function value is equal to 1. A plus B is 90. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Is that clear? If you want, I can prove this. When A plus B is equal to 90, correct? From this, A is equal to 90 minus B. So what it is? Tan A is equal to tan of 90 minus B. Tan of 90 minus B is cot B. Cot is 1 by tan. Correct? From this, tan E into tan B is equal to 1. Tan of 90 minus B is cot B. 90 means cofunction. Cofunction of tan is cot. Cot is 1 by tan. Cross multiply this. Tan E into tan B is equal to 1. Tan E into tan B equal to 1. We get the answer. Similarly, we can prove these things also. If you write tan 80, no, tan 80 is tan of 90 minus 10. One of them I showed numerical example. Tan 80 is tan of 90 minus 10. Tan of 90 minus 10. 90 means cofunction. Cofunction of tan is cot 10. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 10. Tan 80 same as cot 10. Cot is 1 by tan, no? So tan 10 into cot 10 becomes equal to 1. This product becomes 1 because tan into cot is 1. Tan and cot are reciprocals. Tan is 1 by cot, so tan into cot is 1. Correct? So this product is 1. This product also 1. Everywhere it becomes 1. Each bracket is 1. So product is 1. We get the answer as 1. Next one, question number 7. Learn the results. Important. Similar type of question I can give one more. See, they asked already in the CET exam earlier, many years back, similar to this question. Even this result holds for cot function also. If a plus b is 90 degree, then cot a into cot b is also 1. We cannot done this. We can prove it also. If a plus b is equal to 90 degree, then cot a into cot b is 1. Cot a into cot b is equal to 1. If a plus b is equal to 90 degree, then cot a into cot b is equal to 1. If a plus b is 90, tan a into tan b is 1. Cot a into cot b is also 1. If a plus b is equal to 90 degree. Also note that I can give another example similar to this. Tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree. If you continue this go on till tan 89 degree. In this case also the product is 1 only. Tan 1 into tan 89. Merge these two. Tan 1 into tan 89, tan 2 into tan 88, tan 3 into tan 87. Like that we combine those terms where sum of the angles becomes 90. So that the product of the tan function value becomes 1. 1 plus 89 is 90, 2 plus 88 is 90, 3 plus 87 is 90, 4 plus 86 90, like that. You move forward here and come backward. You will reach tan 44 in tan 46. Tan 44 and tan 46 also 1 because 44 plus 46 is 90. And tan 45 degree does not get any pair here. Tan 45 degree itself is 1. Correct? Hence each of the terms you get 44 pairs because there are 89 factors here. That means you get 44 pairs because 44 into is 88. For tan 45 does not get any pair. Tan 45 degree itself is 1. Hence the product becomes 1. Correct? So answer is 1. Hope you understand this. Sometimes they'll change the question, they modify this question and ask. They'll ask this log of tan 1 degree plus log of tan 2 degree, log of tan 3 degree, etc. It goes on, etc. goes on till log of tan 89 degree, log of tan 89 degree. This is equal to log of, sum of the log is log of the product, right? Log a plus log b, properties of logarithms. Log a plus log b is log of ab. Log a plus log b is log of ab. Sum of the log is log of the product. Sum of the log is log of the product. So log of tan 1 plus log of tan 2 is log of tan 1 into tan 2. So sum of the log is log of the product. Suppose you got log a plus log b plus log c. Sum of the log that becomes log of the product. Log a plus log b plus log c becomes log of a, b, c, like that. It can be extended for n numbers. This is for 2 numbers. This is for 3 numbers. It can be extended for n numbers. So this becomes log of product tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into etc. tan 89. Correct? This becomes 1. This becomes 1. Log 1 that is equal to 0. Correct? Log 1 is equal to 0. So like this, you need to learn the neighboring concepts. Not only stick on to one question, because what I discussed, the same question may not appear in the exam, correct? You need to work out the neighboring concepts. And if this question is modified, same question is modified, you must be able to answer it. Okay? So learn the concepts properly. Okay? Results properly. All the formulas, results you note down. If you are studying a trigonometric chapter, you study all the formulas and shortcuts properly and make a chapter notes. Like take a chart, big chart. In that chart you write down all the formulas connected to trigonometry. Okay, board exam level, whatever formulas are there, sine of a plus b, cos of a plus b, tan of a plus b, all those things, write down first. And extra points, whatever is required. Okay, those things you write down. Extra points, like you know the range of sin x is closed interval -1 plus 1. But what you understand from that is important. Range means what? It lies between the minimum and maximum values, including the endpoints. Maximum value of sin x is 1, minimum value of sin x -1. Such things you must know. Okay. Some students will know range of sin x is closed interval -1 plus 1. If I ask what is maximum value of sin x, they are not able to tell. It should not happen like that. Okay. And there are some extra formulas connected to this trigonometry. Some of the familiar formulas. If you refer to the book, there are many formulas, but every formula you cannot digest it. Okay. So at least the familiar things, familiar formulas you can study. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. These are all important formulas. You need to learn this, memorize this. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. If you don't memorize it, if it is appearing in the exam in the middle of the step, in the middle of the problem, then you need to prove it and get it. That's why I'm telling you to memorize it better. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4 is very important. It's used many times. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Okay? All these things you must know. Very important formulas. Few more are read. See, tan x plus cot x. Tan x plus cot x is 2 times cosecant 2x. These are all not there in the board exam level. They are not very ordinary formulas. Correct? So I am just mentioning it. Whichever extra points required. Okay? Such things you can note down and study it seriously. Tan x plus cot x is 2 times cosecant 2x. Cot x minus tan x. Cot x minus tan x is equal to 2 times cot 2x. Okay. And one more is then tan of pi by 4 plus x plus tan of pi by 4 minus x. Tan of pi by 4 plus x plus tan of pi by 4 minus x is 2 times secant 2x. These are 3 important formulas, okay? One category is 2 cosecant 2x, 2 cot 2x and 2 times secant 2x. And these two is one category. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4, sin power 6 plus cos power 6. Okay? Please learn these formulas. Important. Required for competitive exams. I am writing this is exclusively required for competitive exams. Sin A into sin of 60 minus A into sin of 60 plus A. This is 1 by 4 sin 3. 1 by 4 sin 3. Okay. Cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A. Okay. Learn these formulas. Very important. Frequently used in the competitive exams. 1 by 4 cos 3. This is 1 by 4 cos 3. Tan A into tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A. This is just tan 3. No 1 by 4 for this. Only tan 3. See, for example, if you see question number 9 here, tan theta plus cot theta is done. Come back to question number 7 later. Look at the question number 9 here. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. They asked to find the value of sin theta. You know, directly we can apply tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 2 theta. Correct, using this. Tan x plus cot x, 2 times cosecant 2x. Directly use this formula. Tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 2 theta. 2 times cosecant 2 theta is equal to 2. This implies cosecant 2 theta is equal to 1, right? I am applying the formula. Tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 2 theta. If you are not applying this formula directly, you need to write more steps. It consumes more time. Tan is, of course you can get it. You can prove this. tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin, take LCM, go on simplify, use the multiple angle formula, you know sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, apply that formula, you get this. Okay, so directly I wrote it. It's better to memorize it. It's frequently used. I have written those list of formulas. It's frequently used. Okay, at least minimum you have to study this. Tan plus cot is 2 times cosecant 2 theta. So 2 cancels. Cosecant 2 theta is 1. From this I can write reciprocal. Take reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Sin 2 theta is reciprocal of cosecant 2 theta. You know sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1. 2 theta is pi by 2. 2 theta is equal to pi by 2. This implies theta is equal to pi by 4. Correct? 2 theta is pi by 2. So theta is pi by 4. What we need to find is sin theta value. No? Sin theta is equal to sin pi by 4. Theta is pi by 4. We got sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. That's the answer. Answer is fourth option. Okay. And questions based on this concept is see. It is present in question number 18. See, question number 18. The value of sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80. Question number 18. I'll come back to those remaining questions. Just finish off this. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 60 into sin 80. Okay. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80. Sin 60 value among this, correct? Sin 60 is familiar, it's a standard angle. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2 into sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 80. Correct? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. This is root 3 by 2 into sin 20 degree. Sin of 40 is 60 minus 20 into sin of 80 is 60 plus 20. 20 sin 20 keep as this. 40 expressed in terms of 60. 40 and 80 could be written in terms of 60, right? 40 is 60 minus 20. 80 is 60 plus 20. So because we know this formula, I want to apply this. Sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A. Even this can be proved actually, okay? But I don't have much time to prove. If time permits, I can prove it in the next class once again. If I get one more class, okay? Sin of A minus B plus sin of A plus B, I use sin square A minus sin square B. In that case, you apply that formula and get it. Okay? So, root 3 by 2 sin 20, 40 is 60 minus 20, 80 is 60 plus 20. Now compare. This is sin A into sin of 60 minus A into sin of 60 plus A. Sin A, sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus, that is 1 by 4 sin 3. 1 by 4 sin 3. So root 3 by 2 keep as this. This is 1 by 4 sin 3A. Compare, what is our angle A? Angle A is 20, right? Angle A is, so this is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. 3 into 20 is 60, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 4 is 8, 8 to the 16. 3 by 16. So, we can simplify in 2 or 3 steps. Is that clear? Similar type of questions I can give. You can practice homework. Okay, cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 80 degree. And this will be 1 by 16. Try this as homework. Okay. Express this cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 40 and cos 80 is 40 is 60 minus 20. 80 is a 16 plus 20. Tan 20 into tan 40 into tan 60 into tan 80. This will be 3. Try this. You can try even sin 10, sin 30, sin 50, sin 70 like this. Sin 10 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 50 degree, sin 70 degree is equal to how much? This will be 1 by 16. Try all these things. In terms of the cos also you can try. Cos 10 into cos 30 into cos 50 into cos 70. To improve your skills and also get a very good practice. Okay? Please work out this. When you work out the problem, you work out a similar type of questions so that it becomes easy for you. Okay, because same question cannot be need not be asked in the exam. Okay, they'll modify it. So we have finished our 18th question. I'll come back to this now. Come back to question number 7. Cos of alpha plus beta is 4 by 5. Sin of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. Come back to question number 7. Cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta is 4 by 5. Sin of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. Okay. Where alpha and beta lie between 0 and pi by 4. You have to find the value of tan 2 alpha. Define the value of tan 2 alpha. They ask to find the value of tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha, we know the formula, right? Tan 2x we know. Multiple angle formula, sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x we know. Tan 2x for 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. Correct? Tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. Okay? This formula if you apply in this problem, we cannot get the answer. Formula is correct, but it's not applicable here. No use here. Tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. Okay? Because tan alpha is not given. We cannot find out tan alpha using this data. Okay? Using this data, it's not possible to find the value of tan alpha. To find tan 2 alpha, here we don't want to find tan alpha. Then only it's possible to get the answer, right? So, what we do instead of this, formula is correct, but this is not applicable. This is not applicable. So, what we do is, we write tan 2 alpha as tan of alpha plus alpha. Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha, right? Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha. This is tan of, we write this as alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha plus beta minus beta will cancel out. Correct? Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha. Is that clear? Writing 2 alpha is alpha plus alpha. Add and subtract beta. Tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b formula. What is tan of a plus b? Tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x plus y. This is x, this is y. Tan of x plus y formula. Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Apply this. What do you get? This is tan of alpha plus beta tan x plus tan y. Correct? My y is alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan of alpha plus beta into tan of alpha minus beta. Tan of x plus y. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. My x is alpha plus beta, y is alpha minus beta. So, from this, if you know cos of alpha plus beta, I can write the value of tan of alpha plus beta. Sin of alpha minus beta, from that we can write tan of alpha minus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. You draw the triangle and mark the angle as alpha plus beta. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? 4 by 5. We know 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. The various Pythagorean triplets. Any three numbers which satisfies the Pythagoras theorem is called as Pythagorean triplets, right? So 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. 6, 8, 10 are Pythagorean triplets. 5, 12, 13 are Pythagorean triplets, correct? Any three numbers which satisfies the Pythagoras theorem are called as Pythagorean triplets. These are the familiar Pythagorean triplets I'm writing. 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17, correct? 7, 24, 25. These are the familiar Pythagorean triplets. Remember this, okay? To work out the problems. So, if cos is 4 by 5, tan is 3 by 4. Tan of alpha plus beta is 3 by 4. Okay. Tan of alpha minus beta. Here the angle is alpha minus beta. Draw that triangle, separate triangle, mark the angle as alpha minus beta. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. This will be 12. Correct? 5, 12 and 13 are Pythagorean triplets. If sine is 5 by 13, tan is 5 by 12. So tan of alpha minus beta is 5 by 12. Go on, simplify this. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. You simplify this. Take LCM and simplify and get the answer as 56 by 33. Okay. Complete the calculations. You'll get the answer as 56 divided by 33. 56 divided by 33. We can also find the value of tan to beta. How the question can be modified? Learn from this. In this problem, they asked to find tan to alpha. No? Instead of asking tan to alpha, they can ask tan to beta also. Tan to beta. Tan to beta means, if they ask to find tan to beta, what it is tan of, you write beta to beta as beta plus beta. Correct? Beta plus beta is 2 beta. In that case, what it is, you add and subtract alpha. Alpha plus beta, okay, minus of alpha minus beta. So that it is, if you simplify, you get 2 beta, right? Alpha plus beta minus of alpha minus beta, because when you open the bracket, alpha minus alpha is 0. Beta minus of minus beta becomes 2 beta, right? Then you can open the bracket using tan of x minus y. Which formula is applicable here? Tan of x minus y. Tan of x minus y. So tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x in tan y. Okay? Tan of x minus y. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay, let's use this formula and get the answer. Suppose it asked you to find tan to beta using this. You must be able to do that also. Okay. Next question number 8. Given that tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of the equation. Tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of the equation. X square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of the equation. Tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of the equation. Are the roots of the equation. X square plus bx plus c equal to 0. B not equal to 0 to find the value of tan of alpha plus beta. Need to find the value of tan of alpha plus beta. You know the expansion of tan of alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of this. Correct? So sum of the roots, tan alpha plus tan beta, sum of the roots is minus b by, correct? Minus b divided by 1, minus b by 1, correct? Sum of the roots. Already learned the relationship between the roots and the coefficients in 10th standard. Sum of the roots or sum of the zeros you learned, correct? Sum of the roots or sum of the zeros, minus b by a, correct? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x y. Product of the roots is constant term by coefficient of x y. Product of the roots, tan alpha into tan beta. Product of the roots is c by 1. Tan alpha plus tan beta is minus b divided by 1 minus. Tan alpha and tan beta is c. It's minus b by 1 minus c, right? Minus b into 1 minus c is to the power 1. Now when you take it to numerator, it becomes 1 minus c to the power minus 1. Or you see, what we do is this minus we absorb into denominator. This minus is in denominator, b by minus of 1 minus c. Or this becomes b by minus 1 plus c, right? Minus of minus plus c minus 1. C minus 1 to the power 1. Right? This is b into c minus 1 power 1 is c minus 1 to the power minus 1. So b into c minus 1 power minus 1. This is option 4. Correct? Relation between the roots and the coefficients. Sum of the zeros, minus b by minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Sum of the roots. Product of the roots. Constant term by coefficient of x square. C by 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. C by 1, that is c. Is that clear? Ninth one already are done. 10th one is, see, tan theta by 2 is given as half. We need to find the value of sin theta. Tan theta by 2 is half. We need to find the value of sin theta. Tan theta by 2 is half. Tan theta by 2 is equal to half. What is the value of sin theta? You know sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta, there are two formulas, right? That's called multiple angle formula. From the multiple angle formula, again the submultiple angle formula. If you are able to write directly, it's okay. If you don't have telling, suppose you know sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta is also equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is also equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Correct? So from this sin theta I want, it's called half angle formula or submultiple angle formula. 2 theta becomes theta, theta becomes theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay? Replace theta by 2. 2 into theta by 2 becomes theta. Replace everywhere theta by 2. So I'm using this sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 2 into tan theta by 2 is half divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2 is what? Half. No? Half square is 1 by 4. 2 into half becomes 1. 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. 1 by 5 by 4 is 4 by 5. Sin theta is 4 by 5 from this. Similar type they can ask you to find cos theta. Tan theta by 2 is half. What is cos theta? In that case, apply the formula 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay? Cos theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Half angle formula for cos theta in terms of tan. Suppose if they give tan theta by 2 equal to half, they can ask you to find what is tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to 2 tan theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. 1 minus tan square theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Okay? Learn all the formulas. Learning the formulas is very important. Each and every formula is important. Even in inverse trigonometric functions, we may require these trigonometric formulas in differentiation as well as in integration also. Trigonometric formulas plays a major role. This question already asked in the previous exam, CET. 11th one, root 3 cosecant 20 minus secant 20. Root 3 cosecant 20 minus secant 20 is equal to how much? What we do is we express cosec and sec in terms of sine and cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, sec is the reciprocal of cos, right? This is 1 by sine, this is 1 by cos. Root 3 into cosecant 20 is 1 by sine 20. This is 1 by cos 20. Correct? Take LCM. This is sine 20 degree into cos 20 degree. Correct? Take common denominator. Sine 20 cos 20. Root 3 into cos 20 minus 1 into sine 20. Root 3 into cos 20 minus 1 into sine 20. Make it like this. After taking LCM. What we do now is we will multiply and divide by 2 because root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 familiar. Root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 are the familiar numbers. We can express in terms of sine and cos. Correct? So what I do is in the numerator we multiply and divide by 2. Sine 20 means 1 into sine 20. 1 into sine 20. So what it is multiply and divide by 2. Correct? 2 into half. 2 into half. This is root 3 cos 20 minus 1 into sin 20 divided by sin 20 degree into cos 20 degree. 2 will keep on this 1 by 2 take inside. What is this? Root 3 by 2 cos 20 degree minus 1 by 2 sin 20 degree divided by sin 20 degree into cos 20 degree. Multiply this half inside. Root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20. Now I express this root 3 by 2 in terms of sine, this in terms of cos. Sine of how much is root 3 by 2? We know sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Sine 60 is also cos 30. Okay, cos 60 is also sine 30. We don't use this. We'll use this. Okay, we'll express in terms of 60 degrees. So that makes sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, right? So for that, this is 2 into sin 60 degree into cos 20 degree minus cos 60 degree into sin 20 degree divided by sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2, correct? Here I am applying the formula sin theta cos theta. What is sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta divided by 2. Sin 2 theta divided by 2. Use this. Sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta by 2. This 2 goes up. 2 into 2 becomes 4. Correct? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. Sin of 60 minus 20 divided by sin 40. Sin 40 cancels. Required answer is 4. Here I apply sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta by 2. 2 theta means double angle. 20 degree double is 40. Right? Sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta divided by 2. Sin 40 degree by 2. This 2 goes up. 2 into 2 is 4. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. Sin of 60 minus 20 sin 40. Sin 40 cancels. Required answer is 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Is that clear? So practice this type of question. Okay. They can ask in terms of 10 degree also. One more question I'll give similar to this to practice this root 3 secant 10 degree minus cosecant 10 degree. Okay. Here also, what we do? Start with the basics. How we did this problem? Same way you do it. Secant is 1 by cos and cosec is 1 by sin. Sec is 1 by cos. Cosec is 1 by sin. Take LCM and go on simplifying. And in the numerator, multiply and divide by 2. So you know the numbers root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 are there. Familiar numbers, which you can express in terms of sin and cos. Okay, root 3 by 2 sin 60 as well as cos 30. 1 by 2 is cos 60 as well as sin 30. Use which is applicable there and simplify it. Okay, practice this question similar to this. Always take questions which are similar to the given ones. Then only it's possible to score good marks in the competitive exams, because there is no restriction for the questions to be asked in the competitive exam. Any type of questions can be asked, correct? It's not like board exam. So competitive exam, there are various types of questions. Any kind of questions can be asked. Okay. So for that reason, I'm telling. Ninth one, theta is equal to pi by 2 power n plus 1. Given that theta is equal to pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. Theta is given like this, pi by 2 power n plus 1. You need to find the value of cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, etc. Cos 2 cube theta, etc. Cos of 2 power n minus 1 theta is equal to how much? You have to find the value of this. This will be equal to how much? Know this expression? This is equal to sine of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sine theta. Okay? This is sine of 2 power n theta divided by 2 power n into sine theta. Sine of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sine theta. This is also important formula. Please learn this. Here angles are in GP. Okay, theta, 2 square theta, 2 cube theta. Totally there are n factors. Okay, you must know, analyze the formula properly, not simply learn. It starts with 1 theta, 2 theta, 4 theta, 8 theta, 2 cube is 8, right? 2 square is 4, correct? 1 theta, 2 theta, 4 theta, 8 theta. This entire cos function, no, entire terms are not in GP. GP is geometric progression. Hope you know that. Angles are in GP. Angles are in GP. Theta, 2 theta, 2 square theta, 2 cube theta. Angles are in GP. Angles are in GP. Geometric progression. Okay. How many factors are there? N factors. Starts with 1 theta. 1 theta is 2 power 0 theta. 2 power 0 theta, 2 power 1 theta, 2 square theta, 2 cube theta. Last factor is 2 power n minus 1 theta. 2 power 0 theta to 2 power n minus 1 theta. So there are n factors. N factors. Okay. Sine of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sine theta. Theta is equal to pi by 2 power n plus 1. Cross multiplies. What do you get this? 2 power n theta. Theta into 1 is theta is equal to pi. Cross multiply. 2 power n theta. Correct? Directly I can't find the value. You can't substitute theta equal to pi by 2 power n plus 1. You will not proceed further. It will start there only. If you directly substitute the value of theta, pi by 2 power n plus 1, you will be stuck. So that's why I'm telling what to do is cross multiply. 2 power n into theta is 2 power n theta. 1 into theta is theta equal to pi. So what we get? 2 power n theta is equal to pi minus theta comes. Is equal to sine of 2 power n theta is pi minus theta divided by 2 power n into sine theta. What is sine of pi minus theta? Sine theta. Correct? Pi minus theta means 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta being the second coordinate angle. In the second coordinate, sine function is positive. First coordinate, all trigonometric functions are positive. Second coordinate, sine and cosec are positive. Third coordinate, tan and cot are positive. Fourth coordinate, cos and sec are positive. Second coordinate, sine and cosec are positive. Correct? Sine of pi minus theta is sine theta divided by 2 power n into sine theta. Sine theta cancels. What we get is 1 by 2 to the power n. So required answer is 1 by 2 power n. Sine of pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. Learn this formula, important. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, etc. Cos of 2 power n minus 1 theta is equal to sine of 2 power n theta divided by 2 power n sine theta. Okay. Angles are in GP. Cos functions are not in GP. Only angles are in GP. Theta, 2 theta, 2 square theta, 2 cube theta. Last factor is 2 power n minus 1 theta. How many factors are there? N factors. Okay. Not only learning the formula, you must be able to apply it also. Then only it's possible to get the answer, because same question need not be asked in the exam. They can modify it, as I told earlier. Similar type of question are given in the homework also. Please practice that if possible. Okay. There is a question, I think, in the homework problem. Question number 9 I given. 96 root 3 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. Okay. That can be asked. Okay, try that question. Also, similar type question is there in the examiner book, NCERT examiner book. Please practice all the questions of examiner book. Okay, it's worth actually many questions. Not only object type questions, even the subject type questions you have to work out. Okay. Thirteenth one, the minimum value of the function to find. 27 power cos 2x, 81 to the power sin 2x. Minimum value of 27 to the power cos 2x, 81 to the power sin 2x. Find the minimum value of the function. 27 to the power cos 2x into 81 to the power sin 2x. 27 is 3 cube to the power cos 2x and 81 3 to the power 4, correct, raised to the power sin 2x. Here I am using the concept that minimum and maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x. You must know that a cos x plus b sin x, a cos x plus b sin x lies between what and what? Minus root of a square plus b square and root of a square plus b square. So you must know this. A cos x plus b sin x. Maximum value is root of a square plus b square. and the minimum value is minus root of a square plus b square. Okay, it's an important result. Only angles should be same. Need not be x always. It can be 2x also. Even if I change a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Okay. A cos 2x and b sin 2x. Maximum value is root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value is minus root of a square plus b square. You must know this. A cos 2x and b sin 2x. The angles should be same. Need not be x only. Both the angles should be same. X, 2x, 2x. One angle x, another angle 2x. It's not possible. Both the angles should be x, or both the angles should be 2x or 3x, whatever, theta. For cos and sin, both the angles should be same. Or it can also be a sin x plus b cos x. No matter. Doesn't matter. Even if it is a sin x plus b cos x. Maximum value and minimum value remains the same. Even if interchange sin and cos. Maximum value is root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value is minus root of a square plus b square. So this concept is applicable here. Now we can see that bases are same. So because of the multiplication, we can add the powers. Correct? This is 3 to the power 3 cos 2x, and this is 3 to the power 4 sin 2x. Correct? This is bases are same. We can add the powers. 3 to the power 3 cos 2x plus 4 sin 2x. Correct? Bases are same. So add the powers. 3 cos 2x, 4 sin 2x. Correct, bases are same, add the powers. 3 cos 2x plus 4 sin 2x. Minimum value. They asked to find minimum value. Because the bases are same, I could add the powers. You know this rule. A power x into a power y is a power x plus y. Index loss. A power x into a power y is a power x plus y. Bases are same, which we can add the powers. A power x power y. Correct, or a power m to the power n. Here, which the powers gets multiplied. No? A power n is a power mn. A power m. The powers gets multiplied. Here we want to find the minimum value they ask. So anyway, the base is constant. The power is variable. Correct. X is present means x is a variable. Correct. Power is a variable and the base is constant. So minimum values. Minimum value you want to find out. Minimum value is 3 to the power. Minimum value is minus root of a square plus b square. 3 to the power minus root of 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. That is 3 to the power minus 5. Applying the formula. Minimum value for this. Minimum value of a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. My a is 3 and b is 4. A is 3, b is 4. Root of a square plus b square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Root 25 is 5. 3 power minus 5 is 1 by 3 power 5. That is 1 by 243. Okay? 1 by 243 is going to be the minimum value for this. Base is constant, the power is a variable. For the power we apply this result. Minimum value of a cos 2x plus b sin 2x is this. This is a minimum value and this is a maximum value. Only difference is minus and plus. Hope you understand this. So 3 power minus 5 is 1 by 3 power 5 is 1 by 243. Minimum value is 1 by 243. Nice question. You have to simplify this. First 27 is 3 cube, 81 is 3 power 4 and the powers gets multiplied. Correct, bases are same, so add the powers, then apply the result. 14th one also, they ask for all values of theta, this lies in which interval? Lies in which interval means you need to find the minimum and maximum values. Same result I'll be using this. I'll be using this result only for this problem also. Okay, question number 16. Sorry, question number 14. For all values of theta, 3 minus cos theta, 3 minus cos theta plus cos of theta plus pi by 3. 3 minus cos theta plus cos of theta plus pi by 3 lies in which interval? Lies in which interval? From this we can write as 3 minus cos theta. Here is simplify this. Cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Right? Cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Apply the formula. Cos of a plus b. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. 3 minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Sin theta into sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Substitute the values of sin pi by 3 and cos pi by 3. And this is 3. Minus cos theta is minus 1 cos theta. Minus 1 plus half is minus half cos theta. And this is minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay. This is 3 plus minus half cos theta minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. 3 is a constant here. 3 is a constant. We need to find this expression lies in which interval. That means we need to find the minimum and maximum value. That means we find the range of this function. Range always lies between the minimum and maximum values, including the endpoints. So we find the maximum value of this as well as the minimum value of this. Maximum value you want. Maximum value is equal to maximum value is 3 plus root of a square plus b square minus half square is 1 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. Simplify that. Minimum value you want. Minimum value is equal to 3 minus root of minus half square 1 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. This is 3 plus root of 4 by 4 is 1. 3 plus 1 4. This is 3 minus 3 plus 1 4. Here 3 minus 1 2. So minimum value is 2 and the maximum value is 4. So this expression lies in the interval 2 to 4. So range of this function is the interval 2 to 4. 2 is the minimum value and 4 is the maximum value. So whenever they ask you to find this expression lies in which interval, that means you need to find the range of that function. Okay. So to find the range we apply, first start with cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Simplify it, simplify it, get the answer. Question number 15. Sin of x plus 5 by sin of x minus 5. 15th one. Sin of x plus 5 by sin of x minus 5. Sin of x plus 5 divided by sin of x minus 5 is equal to what is given? A plus b by a minus b. A plus b by a minus b. We have to find the value of tan x divided by tan y is equal to how much? Tan x by tan y is equal to how much? Can you do this? Here, to get the value of tan x by tan y, what we do is first to expand this. You know the formula for sin of x plus y, compound angle formula. Sin of x minus y also, compound angle formula, you know. Expand it. Sin of x plus y is sin of x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Sin of x minus y is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Correct? Right hand side you keep as it is. Left hand side numerator and denominator expand it. Sin of x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin of x minus y, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Correct? Now, I use the property of ratio. Our aim is to get the value of this tan x by tan y, correct? First of all, you must know what is to be found, what is given and what is required, correct? This is a given data, this is a required data. This is what to find out. Tan x by tan y to find out. So to find out tan x by tan y, what we do is apply the property of ratio. You know this a by b equal to c by d. If a by b equal to c by d, this implies a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. A by b equal to c by d. A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. Is that clear? A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. Because when we cross multiply this, we get AD equal to BC, right? AD equal to BC. We cross multiply this. When we cross multiply this also, we get AD equal to BC only. So these two are equivalent. These two are equivalent. When you cross multiply this, we get AD equal to BC. When you cross multiply this, try this if you want. We'll end up with AD equal to BC only. So what I'll do is compare this. A by B equal to C by D. A by B equal to C by D. What you can write is equivalent to A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus B by C minus D. Adding these two. What we get? This will cancel, correct? Adding these two, this will cancel. These two gets added up. 2 sin x cos y. Adding the numerator, denominator, divided by. Subtracting the numerator, denominator. Sin x cos y minus sin x cos y cancels. What do you get? Cos x sin y minus of minus becomes plus 2 cos x sin y. Correct? Add these two. What do you get is 2a. Subtract these two. What do you get is 2b. Correct? A plus b plus a minus b is 2a. A plus b minus of a minus b is 2b. So this 2 cancels. This 2 cancels. Sin by cos is tan, no? Sin x by cos x is tan x. Cos y by sin y is cot y. Cot y taken denominator becomes tan y. Because cot is 1 by tan. So tan x by tan y is a by b. Simple question. Right? But you must know this property of ratio. It's called as componendo and dividendo property of ratio. A by B equal to C by D is equivalent to A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. It's equivalent. Is that clear? Learn this property of ratio. It's called as componendo and dividendo property of ratio. Okay? Please work out this. Whatever I do it, please work out it once again so that you practice. After practicing these questions only, you practice similar type of questions. Then only it is useful. Okay? So many concepts are there in this. One by cos 85. 1 by cos 285 degree plus 1 by root 3 sin 255 degree is equal to how much? For this you must know the concept of allied angles and also the values of this. Cos 15 degree. Cos 15 degree is how much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is same as sin 75 degree. Sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 degree is same as cos 75 degree. All these things you must know. You must know the knowledge of this. Cos 15, cos 75, sin 15, sin 75, all these things. This is equal to 1 by cos 285 is cos of 270 plus 15. Plus 1 by root 3 into sin of 255, we can write 270 minus 15. Expressing in terms of 15. One is 270 plus 15, another is 270 minus 15. Now we need to apply the concept of allied angles. So 270 means to write the co-function, already I told. 285 degree lies in 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant, cos is positive. And this lies in 3rd quadrant. 3rd quadrant, sin is negative. Correct? So you must know all students take coffee. 285 degree being a 4th quadrant angle. In the 4th quadrant, cos function is positive. So this becomes 1 by 270 means co-function. Co-function of cos is sin. Correct? And 270 means co-function. This is 285 is 4th quadrant. 4th quadrant cos is positive. So 1 by sin 15 degree. And this 1 by root 3 into 255 degrees the 3rd quadrant angle. In the 3rd quadrant, sin is negative. So I'll write minus here. Okay. 270 is co-function. Co-function of cos is sin. For 90 and 270, you write the corresponding co-function. 180 and 360, you write the same function. 180 and 360 write the same function. 90 and 270 write the corresponding co-function. Remember that. Okay. Sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Substitute the value. Sin 15 plus by minus is minus 1 by root 3 into cos 15 degrees root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Substitute the values of sin 15 and cos 15. Is that clear? memorize these values. Okay, sin 15 degree same as cos 75. Sin is increasing function. Less angle, less value. More angle, less value for cos function. Correct? Greater the angle, smaller is the value. In the interval 0 to 90 in the first quadrant, sin is increasing function, whereas cos is a decreasing function. Less angle, less value. Minus means less value, plus means more value. Correct? Minus means less value, plus means more value. Sin 15 degrees, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Lesser the angle, less is the value. For cos, more angle, less value. For cos, less angle, more value. For sin, more angle, more value. Easy to remember, correct? So, simplify this 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. Minus. This 2 root 2 goes up. 2 root 2 divided by root 3 into root 3 plus 1. Correct? Take LCM. Root 3 into root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Take in the common denominator. This set multiply by which term to get this? Root 3 minus multiply which term? Root 3 into root 3 plus 1. So what you get is 2 root 2 into root 3 into root 3 plus 1. Correct? Root 3 into root 3 plus 1 multiply which term you get this? Multiply root 3 minus 1 to get this. 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. That is 2 root 6 into root 3. Correct? 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 2 root 6 into 1. Simplify. Minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2. This will cancel. Here root 3 into a minus b into a plus a square minus b square. 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct? So what you get is 2 common here. 2 root 2 is common in the numerator. This will be root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 3. 2 cancels. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 root 2 divided by root 3. Please memorize these values. Also, you need to learn the values of sin 18 degree and cos 36 degree. Sin 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay? And sin 18 degree is same as cos 72 degree. Sin 36 is cos 36 is same as sin 54 degree. All these things you must know. Is that clear? Please memorize these values. Sin 18, cos 36. Even sin 36 degree, root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Cos 18 degrees, root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Cos 18 degrees then. Cos 18 degrees, root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Sin 36 degree is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Cos 18 is same as sin 72 degree. Cos 36 is sin 36 is same as cos 54 degree. Please learn all these values. Okay? Memorize these values. Even required for JEE exams. So required answer is fourth option. 4 root 2 by root 3. Question number 17. Already give the values of sin 18 and cos 36 is multiplied them and get the answer. Sin 18 degree multiplied by cos 36 degree. Sin 18 degree into cos 36 degree. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 degrees root 5 plus 1 by 4. Here use a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 4 into 4 is 16. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 16, that is 1 by 4. This is required answer. Okay, 17th one required answer is 1 by 4. 18th one already we done. 19th one you need to apply the transformation formula. S plus S, C plus C. These are transformation formulas you know. Sin x plus sin by 2, sin x plus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin by 2, cos x plus y by 2, sin x minus y by 2. C plus C is 2cc. C minus C is minus 2ss. Now all this transformation formula. S stands for sin, C stands for cos. You know that. Here the first angle is always x and second angle is always y. Here the first angle is always x plus y by 2, second angle is always x minus y by 2. Okay? Learn these transformation formulas, converting the sum or difference to the product. So I will be applying these transformation formula in this question number 19. Cos alpha plus cos beta is given. Sin alpha plus sin beta is given. 19th one. Cos alpha plus cos beta. Cos alpha plus cos beta is 3 by 2. Sin alpha plus sin beta is 1 by 2. Correct? Theta is the arithmetic mean of alpha and beta. I define the value of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Here I apply the transformation formula c plus c 2cc. 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. S plus S is 2s. 2 sin of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Divide 1 by the other. C plus C is 2cc. 2 cos. Add the angles, divide by 2. Cos of. Subtract the angles, divide by 2. Here S plus S. 2sc. Divide 1 by the other. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 by equation 1. You can get the value of tan function. Then you can find sin 2 theta. Our aim is to find the value of sin 2 theta. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. When you divide equation 2 by 1, equation 2 divided by equation 1, what we get? This by this. Cos of alpha minus beta by 2 cancels. Correct? This will cancel. 2 cancels. Correct? Sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan. Tan of alpha plus beta by 2. Tan of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 by 3 by 2, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 2 by 3 by 2 is 1 by 3. Correct? And they told that theta is the arithmetic mean of alpha and beta. Given that theta is the arithmetic mean. Theta is the arithmetic mean between alpha and beta. Correct? Theta is the arithmetic mean between alpha and beta. That means what? Theta is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. Theta is the arithmetic mean between alpha and beta. So theta is alpha plus beta by 2. So alpha plus beta by 2, I'll substitute here. That is theta, tan theta we get. Tan theta is 1 by 3. What we need to find? We need to find the value of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta we need to find. Sin 2 theta is equal to, sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 into tan theta is 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. This is numerator is 2 by 3. Denominator is 1 plus 1 by 9 is 10 by 9. Correct? 2 ones are 2 5s are 3 ones are 3 3s are 1 by 5 by 3 becomes 3 by 5. So sin 2 theta is 3 by 5. Simple question. This need to apply the transformation formula. Okay? Learn this set transformation formula. S plus S 2sc, S minus S 2cs, C plus C is 2cc, C minus C is minus 2ss. Last one take it minus 2ss. Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. F k of x. F k of x is given as 1 by k into sin power kx plus cos power kx. Okay, we need to find the value of f4 of x minus f6 of x. We need to find the value of f4 of x minus f6 of x. f4 of x means you put k equal to 4. f6 of x means put k equal to 6. Here, the formulas which I gave earlier, two important formulas. One is sin power 4 plus cos power 4, which is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Another one is sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Use those two formulas. Okay, k equal to 4. You have 4 of x. You have 4 of x, that is 1 by 4 into sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. You have 6 of x. You have 6 of x is got by putting k equal to 6. 1 by 6 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Correct? You have 4 of x got by putting k equal to 4. Put k equal to 4. You have 6 of x. Put k equal to 6. From this simplify. 1 by 4. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4 is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This is 1 by 6. Sin power 6 plus cos power 6. 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Simplify this. 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 sin square x cos square x. 1 by 6 into 1 is 1 by 6. 3 by 6 is half sin square x cos square x. Now subtract this. You have 4 of x minus f6 of x. You have 4 of x minus f6 of x. Multiply this inside. Here I am using those two important formulas which I gave earlier. Memorize those formulas. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Sin power 6 plus cos power 6. 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Subtract this. Minus plus. This will cancel. Correct? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Take LCM 12. 4 and 6 LCM is 12. 4 into 3. Correct? 6 into 2. This is 1 by 12. Correct, required answer is 1 by 12. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 simplifies to 1 by 12. Simple question, nice question. This is finding f4 of x minus f6 of x. Twenty-first. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to q. You to find the value of q into p square minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p. What is given? You write down. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p. Given that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to q. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to q. What do you need to find is q into p square minus 1. Q is tan theta plus cot theta. Substitute. Q is tan theta plus cot theta. What is p? Is sin theta plus cos theta. Correct? Sin theta plus cos theta. The whole square minus 1. Substitute the value of q and p. Q is tan theta plus cot theta. P is sin theta plus cos theta. Okay? You know already the formula for tan theta plus cot theta. Already gave it. Tan theta plus cot theta is what? 2 times cosecant 2 theta, right? Tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 2 theta. Correct? And sin theta plus cos theta the whole square, expand it. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Correct? Sin square plus cos square is 1. This 1 will cancel with this. So what remains? 2 sin theta cos theta. That is sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. This is 2 times cosecant 2 theta into sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. 2 into cosecant into sin is 1. So this becomes equal to 2. So required answer is true. Simple question. Need to apply the formula. If you don't know this formula, it will kill your time. Correct? Tan theta plus cot theta. If you don't know this directly, you need to write tan as sin by cos, cot as cos by sin, then take LCM, then apply the multiple angle formula. It takes more time. To save the time, okay, we need to remember this formula. It's frequently used. I am giving those formulas which you can remember it easily and which is used frequently in the competitive exams. Okay, tan theta plus cot theta 2 times cosecant 2 theta. Cot theta minus tan theta is 2 times cot 2 theta. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta is 2 times secant 2 theta. 3 important formulas. Okay. Next one, 22nd. Once again they ask to find the minimum value of. Here you know tan and cot are reciprocal functions. Correct? Tan and cot are reciprocal functions. We use the concept of arithmetic mean greater than or equal to the geometric mean. 22nd. Need to find the minimum value of 3 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. Minimum value. They ask to find the minimum value. I use the concept of arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. This is useful. Okay. AM greater than or equal to GM. AM is A plus B by 2 greater than or equal to root of AB. Geometric mean is root of AB. Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. For two numbers A and B, arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. For two numbers A and B, geometric mean is square root of AB. This result is useful to find the minimum value of certain expression. Okay? And that too, minimum value means the geometric mean should be independent of the variable. Here the variable is theta, right? Theta is the variable. Correct? The theta should be removed. Geometric mean, if you multiply these two, what happens? You take A as 3 tan square theta, B as 4 cos square theta. This result is useful to find minimum value of many expressions. Suppose you want to find the minimum value of x plus 1 by x. Minimum value of x plus 1 by x for x greater than 0. Okay? For x greater than 0, it is 2. Minimum value is 2. We use this result. X plus 1 by x by 2 greater than or equal to square root of x into 1 by x. Apply that, we get 2 as an answer. I can give the list of functions. Okay, various functions having minimum value using this result. Okay, this result is applicable. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. This result is applicable only if the geometric mean should be independent of variable. That means the variable should cancel out. See, what is x into 1 by x? X into 1 by x, that is 1. No? Geometric mean becomes 1. Geometric mean is root of x into 1 by x, that is root 1 is 1. So x plus 1 by x divided by 2. This is the arithmetic mean of x and 1 by x. Greater than or equal to root of x into 1 by x. That is 1. Correct? So geometric mean becomes independent of variable. That means it is constant. Correct? So cross multiply. This one, root 1 is 1, cross multiply. We get x plus 1 by x is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to means equality gives the minimum value. Whenever there is greater than or equal to, equality gives the minimum value. If it is less than or equal to, equality gives the maximum value. You must know this basics. If it is greater than or equal to, equality gives the minimum value. Less than or equal to means equality gives the maximum value. Okay, remember these basics. I give you the list of certain functions having the minimum value using this expression. Okay, I can make a table for that. X plus 1 by x, minimum value, expression and minimum value. Make a table like this so that it may be helpful for you. Expression and the minimum value, expression. X plus 1 by x, minimum value is 2. X square plus 1 by x square, minimum value is 2. Okay, if you want the minimum value of tan square x plus cot square x, in that case also minimum value is 2. I can give minimum value of log x base a plus log a base x. Okay, log x base a plus log a base x, that will be how much? Divided by 2 only. This also will be 2 because product of these two becomes 1. Similarly, even for cos square x plus secant square x, this is also 2. Okay, because cos and sec are reciprocal functions. I can give the list of various functions. Even in JEE Advanced, one question was framed last year, 2020 September, JEE Advanced exam. One question was framed based on this result: arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. Okay, you take A as this, okay, and B as this. A is a 3 tan square theta, B is 4 cot square theta. A is 3 tan square theta, B is 4 cot square theta, divided by 2, greater than or equal to root of A is a 3 tan square theta, B is 4 cot square theta. Tan square into cot square is 1, tan into cot is 1, 3 into 4 is 12, this becomes root 12, correct? 3 into 4 is root 12, root 12 is how much? Root of 4 into 3, that is 2 root 3. So what we established, 3 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 2 root 3. Cross multiply it. 3 tan square theta plus 4 cos squared theta is greater than or equal to 4 root 3 on cross multiplication. Correct? So equality gives the minimum value. Equality gives the minimum value. Correct? So minimum value of this expression is 4 root 3. You can work out these problems, try it or practice minimum value of certain expressions. Everywhere it has become 2. It need not be 2 always, but for these expressions it is true. Okay? For these expressions it has come out to be equal to 2. For 3 tan square plus 4 cos square theta, minimum value is 4 root 3. So whenever they ask you to find minimum value, it can be of the concept of this arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. If you are a secondary student, concept of maximum and minima is there. Okay, concept of maxima and minima. Then we learn the derivative test. Using derivatives, first derivative, second derivative. Using that concept also it's possible to find the minimum value of certain expressions. Okay. Using this concept, it's possible to find the minimum value only if the restriction is that the geometric mean should be independent of variable. Geometric mean should reduce to a constant, then only it's applicable. Otherwise, we cannot use this result. Okay? Otherwise, we cannot apply this result. Okay? Remember this. Next one, question number 23. The general solution of root 3 into tan x plus cot x equal to 4. Define the general solution of this. Root 3 into tan x plus cot x. Now once again use the concept of tan x plus cot x formula we have. What is tan x plus cot x? 2 times cosecant 2x, right? You need to find the general solution of root 3 into 23rd one. Root 3 into tan x plus cot x. Tan x plus cot x equal to 4. What is tan x plus cot x? 2 times cosecant 2x, correct? Tan x plus cot x is 2 times cosecant 2x. 2 times cosecant 2x is equal to 4. So what you get is cosecant 2x is equal to 4 by 2 root 3 or you get 2 by root 3. Take reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal of cosec is sine. Sine 2x equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is sine pi by 3. Correct? So 2x equal to pi by 3. You know general solutions of 3 important trigonometric equations. Sin x equal to sin y. Cos x equal to cos y. Tan x equal to tan y. Correct? General solutions of these 3 trigonometric equations. Sin x equal to sin y. General solution is what? X equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n y. Cos x equal to cos y. So x equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Tan x equal to tan y is x equal to n pi plus y. 3 important trigonometric equation. Given a trigonometric equation reduced to one of the 3 forms. Here we reduce it to sin x equal to sin y. Sin x equal to sin y. General solution is x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n y. Sin 2x equal to sin pi by 3 means 2x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 3. Or you divide the entire equation by 2. N pi by 2 plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6. N belongs to z. X equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6. General solution of the given trigonometric equation. So answer is second option. N pi by 2 plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6. Learn these 3 trigonometric equations and their general solution. Any given trigonometric equation has been reduced to one of the 3 forms. Either sin x equal to sin y, or cos x equal to cos y, or tan x equal to tan y. If it is sin x equal to sin y, then x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n y. Cos x equal to cos y, which x equal to 2n pi plus or minus 1. Tan x equal to tan y, x equal to n pi plus 1. Okay? Learn this important trigonometric equations with their general solutions. 24th. General solution of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 3. Find the general solution of this. 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x is equal to 3. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. Multiple angle formulas. Hope you know these formulas. Simplify 2 cancels. Sin square by cos square is tan square x. Express this in terms of tan square. No, tan pi by 3 is root 3. Tan pi by 3 is root 3. Expressing in terms of tan function. Tan pi by 3 is root 3. So because 3 is present, 3 is root 3 square. So this will be tan square pi by 3. Tan square pi by 3. So this equation is of the type tan square x equal to tan square y. One more set is there. General solution of the equation sin square x equal to sin square y. Cos square x equal to cos square y. Tan square x equal to tan square y. For all these three equations, we have the same general solution. We have the same general solution, that is x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi. Okay? For all these three equations, we have x equal to n pi plus y. X equal to n pi plus or minus 1. Same general solution for all these three equations. Okay? For these three equations, we have different solutions. For all these three equations, we have the same solution. So tan square x equal to tan square pi by 3 is x equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Of course, we can do it using the formula sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sin square y is 1 minus cos 2y by 2. Using that multiple angle formula, we can do it. It reduces to cos 2x equal to cos 2y form. Then we can write the general solution using this formula, cos x equal to cos y. Okay? These three equations have the same general solution, x equal to n pi plus or minus 1. N belongs to z. So tan square x equal to tan square pi by solution is x equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. N belongs to z. Next one, 25th. Need to find the general solution of 9 to the power sin x minus 2 into 3 power sin x plus 1 equal to 0. This can be simplified to a quadratic in 3 to the power sin x. You know the relation between 9 and 3. 9 is 3 square. So we simplify this and write it as a quadratic equation by making a suitable substitution. First, you write 3 to the power sin x as t, so that it reduces to quadratic in t. 9 to the power sin x minus 2 into 3 power sin x plus 1 equal to 0. You know that 9 is 3 square. From this we can write 3 square to the power sin x minus 2 into 3 power sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Correct? And this 2 can be multiplied with sin x. The powers gets multiplied here and they can interchange 2 and sin x. Sin x can be brought inside, 2 can be taken outside. Make a substitution. Introduce a new variable t. T is equal to 3 power sin x. In that case, what happens? This equation becomes sin x to bring it inside, 2 you take it outside. 3 power sin x is t. This becomes t square minus 2t plus 1 equal to 0. T square minus 2t plus 1 is t minus 1 the whole square, because 1 is 1 square. This minus 2ab, correct? A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b the whole square. Expanding it, completing the square. T minus 1 the whole square equal to 0 is t minus 1 equal to 0. Taking square roots on both sides, we get t equal to 1. Substitute back for t finally. T is 3 power sin x. T is 3 to the power sin x. And 1 is 3 to the power 0. Because the bases are same, equate the powers. Sin x equal to 0. When does sin function become 0? Sin function becomes 0 for every multiple of pi. X equal to n pi. Sin x equal to 0 for x equal to n pi. So remember, when does sin function become 0? When does cos function become 0? When does tan function become 0? All those things important. Sin x will become 0 for n pi. We can make a table for this also. Sin x equal to 0 for every multiple of pi. Cos x, when does it become 0? For which angle cos function becomes 0? Not only pi by 2. Every odd multiple of pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2, 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers, correct? How to express an odd number? Odd number is represented by 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is integer. When does cos function become 0? General value must tell, not the particular value. If somebody asks, when does cos function become 0? Don't tell just pi by 2. Pi by 2 is one particular value. Okay, cos function becomes 0 for odd multiple of pi by 2. How to express an odd number? Odd number is represented by 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 is representing an odd integer. So for every odd multiple of pi by 2, cos function becomes 0. Tan x, when does it become 0? Tan x also becomes 0 for x equal to n pi, right? Sine function only. Sine and tan are similar. Sine function becomes 0 for every multiple of pi. Tan function becomes 0 for every multiple of pi. Cos function becomes 0 for odd multiple of pi by 2. Learn these three also, important. General solutions of the trigonometric equations. Along with that, learn these three. And also three more again. Sin square x equal to sin square y. Cos square x equal to cos square y. Tan square x equal to tan square y. All the three equations are the same solution. X equal to n pi plus or minus y and belongs to set. Next question, 26. Given y equal to 1 plus sin x plus sin square x etc. up to infinity. It's given to be equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Need to find value of x. This forms an infinite geometric series, right? Infinite geometric series has an infinitely many terms, and if you find the common ratio means you divide second term by first term or third term by second term. Common ratio is sin x. Common ratio is sin x. It forms an infinite GP. You know the formula for sum to infinity of geometric series. Sum to infinity of geometric series is a by 1 minus r. Correct? Here we are having a question related to trigonometry as well as geometric series. Linking that question from one concept to another concept. We are using trigonometric functions along with geometric series. So 1 plus sin x plus sin square x etc. up to infinity is given to be equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. We need to find the value of x. Sum to infinity of geometric series a by 1 minus r. A is the first term and r is the common ratio. Correct? Here the first term is 1 and the common ratio sin x by 1 sin x. Correct? The first term is 1, substitute. A is 1 divided by 1 minus r stands for common ratio. Common ratio is sin x. Sin x by 1 is sin x. This is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. We need to find the value of x now. So to find the value of x, first find the value of sin x. Then you can find the value of x. To find sin x, what we do is to take reciprocal on both sides. Take reciprocal on both sides. 1 minus sin x equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. Multiply and divide by 4 minus 2 root 3. Multiply and divide by 4 minus 2 root 3. This is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by a plus b table as this. A square minus b square. Correct? Difference of 2 squares. 4 square 16. 2 root 3 square is 12. This is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 2 root 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. Left hand side they got 1 minus sin x. Cancel 1 on either side, we get sin x equal to root 3 by 2. Sin x equal to root 3 by 2 is possible for x equal to pi by 3 as well as 2 pi by 3. Learn this directly we can write. As we know, sin function is positive in the first and second quadrant. Sin function is positive in the first and second quadrant. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Sin theta as well as sin of pi minus theta both are equal, correct? Sin theta is same as sin of pi minus theta. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Sin of pi minus pi by 3. So sin 2 pi by 3 is also root 3 by 2. So value of x satisfying this are pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Okay. Sin x equal to sin minus x equal to y or x equal to pi minus y. I can give 3 more note here for your reference. How to simplify given trigonometric equation to write its principal solution. Principal solution is value of x which lies in the interval 0 to 2 pi, including 0 excluding 2 pi. Any value of x which lies in this interval, which satisfies the given trigonometric equation, is called as the principal solution. Principal solution. To write the principal solution, we can make use of this. Sin x equal to sin y. If the given equation takes this form, sin x equal to sin y, then either x equal to y or x equal to pi minus y. Remember this. Because sin function is positive in the first and second quadrant. Cos x equal to cos y. Where is cos function positive? Cos function is positive in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. X equal to pi, x equal to 2 pi minus 1. Correct? First quadrant and fourth quadrant. Cos function is positive. Suppose I give tan x equal to tan y. Where is tan function positive? Tan function is positive in the first and third quadrant, right? So tan x equal to tan y means x equal to y or x equal to pi plus y. X equal to y or x equal to pi plus 1. Tan x equal to tan y, x equal to y or x equal to pi plus 1. First quadrant and third quadrant. First quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant. How to represent? So how to write the principal solution quickly? Here I wrote the principal solution. Pi by 3 into pi by 3 the principal solution for this trigonometric equation. Okay? If it is in this form, sin x equal to minus sin y. Sin x equal to minus sin y. Cos x equal to minus cos y. Tan x equal to minus tan y. Correct? All these things. In these three cases, sin x equal to minus sin x equal to either it is where is sin function negative? Sin function is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. Third quadrant, how to represent? Pi plus y, correct? Or it is 2 pi minus y. Where is cos function negative? Cos function is negative in the second and third quadrant. How to represent second quadrant? Second quadrant is pi minus y. For third quadrant is pi plus y. Where is tan function negative? Tan function is negative in the second and fourth quadrant. Second quadrant, how to represent? Pi minus y, and fourth quadrant is 2 pi minus y. Second quadrant, fourth quadrant. Second quadrant, third quadrant. This is third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So how to write the principal solution quickly using this? Okay, you must know this. Must have the knowledge of this. Okay. Suppose I give sin x equal to minus half. What is the principal solution for this? Okay. Minus half means you can write this minus sin pi by 6. Correct? Because sin pi by 6 half. Sin pi by 6 half. Sin x equal to minus sin pi by 6. In that case, we can write x equal to where is sin function negative? Sin function is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. My angle y is pi by 6. Correct? Third quadrant means it is pi plus y. Fourth quadrant is 2 pi minus y. My y is this. Sin x equal to minus sin y. Compare. My y is pi by 6. So it is pi plus pi by 6. Another one is 2 pi minus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 is 7 pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6. 12 pi minus pi. 11 pi by 6. Correct? This is the principal solution for this. Sin x equal to minus 7 is possible for x equal to 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Is that clear? So that is how we find the principal solution. Each and every concept is important, students. Please learn each and every concept. Then only it's possible to crack the competitive exams. Understanding level is important. Reading every day is important. Practice is important. Then only it's possible to excel in the competitive exams. Okay? Next one is 27th. Given to find the value of tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree. Tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus tan 63 plus tan 81. Tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus tan 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Here, I'll make these two angles same here. You know, 9 and 81 can be related. 81 can be written in terms of 9. Tan 81 is cot 9. And because 81 plus 9 is 90, 27 plus 63 is also 90. 27 plus 63 is 90, right? So what we do is, tan 81 is there, no? Tan 81 is tan of 90 minus 1. All these steps you must not do in the exam. Directly you must tell tan of 90 minus 9. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. This is cot 9. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. This is cot 9. So combine the first and last bracket, last term. We get tan 9 plus cot 9. Tan 9 plus cot 9 minus of. This is tan 27 plus, I put minus and common, tan 63 calculate. What is tan 63? Directly you must be able to tell. If you are not able to tell, I will do the steps. Okay, tan of 90 minus 27. 90 means cofunction. Cofunction of tan is cot, right? This is cot 27. Cot 27. So this is tan 63 is cot 27. Tan 9 plus cot 9 is 2 times tan theta plus cot theta formula here. Tan theta plus cot theta is what? Tan theta plus cot theta. tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 2 theta, double angle, theta double is 2 theta, correct? 2 times cosecant 18 degree. Tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 27 double is 54 degree. I made the angle same, combining these two and these two, first and last, second and third, so that I can take 2 common here, and cosec is the reciprocal of sine. We know the value of sine 18 degree, already I told, to memorize it. Sine 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4, cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4, correct? Sine 18 degrees, root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, cos 36 degrees, root 5 plus 1 by 4, correct? Cosec 18 is reciprocal of sine 18. Sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, and this will be 4 by root 5 minus 1. Cosec 54. Cosec 54 is same as cosec of 90 minus 36. Cosec of 90 minus 36. That is how much? Secant 36. Secant 36. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Secant 36 is reciprocal of cos. So it will be 4 by root 5 plus 1. Then you can simplify this. Take LCM, simplify this. Root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. Here 4 is common, 4 comes out. Correct, 1 into root 5 plus 1 minus of root 5 minus 1. Minus of root 5 minus 1. This is 8. Here root 5 will cancel. 1 minus minus 1, 2. 8 plus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 5 minus 1 is 4. Correct. This 8 2s are 16 divided by 4. That is equal to 4. So required answer is 4. Nice question. Okay. Various concepts involved in this. One is writing tan in terms of cot. Tan 81 is cot 9. Tan 63 is cot 27. Then applying the formula tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta is 2 times cosecant 2 theta. Correct? 2 is common. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Sine it is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So cosecant is 4 by root 5 minus 1. Cosec 54 is the reciprocal of sine 54, but I will change cosec to sec because I know the value of cos 36. Because I know the value of cos 36, I want to express in terms of sec here. Cosec 54 is nothing but sec 36 because cosec and sec are co-functions, correct? So cosec 54 is sec 36. Sec 36 is 4 by root 5 plus 1. That is because cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sec 36 is 4 by root 5 plus 1. Take common denominator and simplify this. Get the answer. Is that clear? So many concepts involved here. You need to remember these values also. Values also you must remember. Tan theta plus sec theta is 4. You have to find the value of sin theta. Tan theta plus secant theta is equal to 4. Tan x plus cot x, tan x plus secant x. You know this familiar identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, right? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, familiar identity here. From this, we can write 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta, correct? A square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, correct? A square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. From this we can write 1 by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta is 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. That means sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta are reciprocals. 1 by sec plus tan is sec minus tan, or 1 by sec minus tan is sec plus tan. Similar type of relation holds for even 1 plus cos square equal to cosecant square theta. 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. In this case also, 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cos square theta. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Similar relation here, 1 by cosec plus cot is cosec minus cot. Okay, so what we can have is here, if secant x plus tan x is equal to p, Okay, then secant x minus tan x will be equal to 1 by p, because secant x plus tan x and secant x minus tan x are reciprocals. They are reciprocals. If secant x plus tan x is p, secant x minus tan x is 1 by p. Cancels. What you get is 2 times secant x is equal to p plus 1 by p. Adding these two. So this is p square plus 1 divided by 2p. Taking LCM simplifying. If secant x is p square plus 1 by 2p, if you subtract these two equations, you will get tan x. If you subtract the two equations, secant x minus secant x cancels, we get tan x equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. P square minus 1 by 2p. Correct? This angle is x. This angle is x. Secant x is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. This is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. And this is p square minus 1. Okay? Secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Tan x p square minus 1 by 2p. So remember this, I am giving a shortcut here. If secant x plus tan x is equal to p, then the sides of the rectangle triangle are p square minus 1, 2p and p square plus 1. With p square plus 1 being the hypotenuse. Hope you understand my words. If secant x plus tan x equal to p, then the sides of the rectangle triangle are p square minus 1, 2p and p square plus 1. Using this, directly you can write all the 6 trigonometric functions. If you know the value of one trigonometric function, you can write the values of all the remaining 5 trigonometric functions. Because in this question, what is given? Secant x plus tan x, no? What is the given question? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p, correct? Tan theta plus secant theta is given as 4. Correct? Tan theta plus secant theta is given as secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 4 is given. We need to find sin theta. So take this as p. Okay? If secant theta plus tan theta is p, what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Correct? P square minus 1 by p square plus 1. From this, sin theta is directly and right. P square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. What is the value of p? 4. 4 square 16 minus 1. 16 plus 1. So we get 15 divided by 17. So value of sin theta is 15 by 17. From this, we get the answer, which is option 3. Directly. What is cos theta? 2p by p square plus 1. Sin theta p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Tan theta is p square minus 1 by 2p. So remember the sentence. What is the sentence you remember here? If secant x plus tan x is equal to p, if secant x plus tan x is equal to p, then the sides of the right angle triangle are p square minus 1, 2p and p square plus 1. Sides of the right angle triangle are p square minus 1, 2p and p square plus 1. P square plus 1 being the hypotenuse. Again I repeat my sentence. If secant x plus tan x is equal to p, then the sides of the right angle triangle are p square minus 1, 2p, p square minus 1, 2p and p square plus 1. P square plus 1 being the hypotenuse. You know the length of the longest side of right angle triangle. P square plus 1 is the longest side of a right angle triangle among this. Correct? Among these three, p square plus 1 is biggest. So p square plus 1 is the hypotenuse. And if you know the sides of the right angle triangle, we can define any trigonometric function. Correct? Trigonometric ratios are nothing but the ratios of the sides of the triangle. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is opposite by adjacent. Okay, cot, sec and cosec are reciprocal functions, all those things you know. Similar kind of result holds even for cosec x plus cot x. Okay, learn those results, time saving results. Now, question number 29 is repeated, okay, by mistake. Already we done this. Question number 29 is same as that of question number 11, by mistake it is. Okay, please forgive me for that. 30th one, the value of 4 sin A cos cube A minus 4 cos A into sin cube A. To find out this, simplify this. Few more questions will complete it fast in next 10 minutes. 4 sin A into cos cube A. Sin A into cos cube A minus 4 cos A into sin cube A. This is 4 Sin A, cos A is common. So what remains is cos square A minus sin square A. 4 in it, right? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 sin A cos A. Cos square A minus sin square. This is cos 2A. Cos square A minus sin square A is cos 2A. 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. So it becomes 2 sin 2A cos 2A. That is equal to sin 4A. Correct? Sin 4A is 2 sin 2A cos 2A. Not only sin 2 theta, if I ask what is sin 4 theta, you must be able to tell. What is sin 8 theta, you must be able to tell. Then only it's possible to crack this competitive exam. What is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. What is sin 4 theta? Sin 4 theta is 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. What is sin 8 theta? Sin 8 theta is 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta. Correct? Sin 8 theta is 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta. If I ask what is sin 16 theta? What is sin 16 theta? 2 sin 8 theta cos 8 theta. Like that. You must be able to tell each and everything. Okay? Not only sin 2 theta, you must be able to modify it also. 31st. Tan x equal to 3 by 4. Value of x lies in third quadrant. Right? Pi and 3 pi by 2 is third quadrant. Pi to 3 pi by 2 is third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan x is positive. We need to find cos x by 2. This is board exam level question. Tan x is given as 3 by 4. Draw the triangle in third quadrant. Mark the angle as x. Tan x. Opposite by adjacent. This will be fine. Here I take minus 3 by minus 4. Tan x is given to be equal to 3 by 4. Same as minus 3 by minus 4. 3 by 4. Same as minus 3 by minus 4. Value of x lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Value of x lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. To find cos x by 2. What is 1 plus cos x? It starts with 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2, right? You know these formulas. 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Correct? Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 3 important formulas. Sin x, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. All this is done. Okay? From this, what is cos square x by 2? Cos square x by 2 is 1 plus cos x whole divided by 2. From this, what is cos x by 2? X lies in third quadrant. X lies between pi and 3 pi by 2 according to the question. See where does x by 2 lies. X by 2 will be 3 pi by 4 and pi by 2. Correct? X by 2 lies in second quadrant. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4 is the part of second quadrant. Correct? Part of second quadrant. X by 2 lies in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos function is negative, no? So cos x by 2 is minus root of 1 plus cos x divided by 2. Take the negative square root. It is plus or minus, right? When you take the square root, take plus or minus. I won't take the positive square root, I take the negative square root. Cos x by 2 is minus root of 1 plus cos x divided by 2. That is what you get. Minus root of 1 plus, what is cos x? In this triangle, you define cos function. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, minus 4 by 5, right? Tan is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is same as minus 3 by minus 4. I don't like this. Because in the third quadrant, no, x is negative, y is negative. Minus 3 by minus 4, same as 3 by 4. Hypotenuse is 5, the correct difference. So cos you define, cos function is minus 4 by 5, correct? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos x is minus 4 by 5 divided by 2. This is minus root of 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by root 10. Cos x by 2 is minus 1 by root 10. So required answer is first option. 32nd, tan pi by h. To calculate the value of tan pi by 8, we can use this formula, tan x by 2. Sin x by 1 plus cos x. You know sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, right? Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 also 1 by root 2, right? Sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, both of them are 1 by root 2. We know this. Is that clear? Sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, both of them are equal to 1 by root 2. We need to find the value of tan pi by 8. Pi by 8, how much? Tan pi by 8. And you know, pi by 8 is pi by 4 divided by 2. Pi by 4 by 2 is pi by 8. Correct? You know, tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Correct? Because sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancels. One of the cos will cancel. Sin by cos is tan. Sin x by 1 plus cos x is tan x by 2. In this now you put x equal to pi by 4. Because pi by 4 by 2 is pi by 8. Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Half angle formula. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 cancels. One of the cos cancels. Sin by cos is tan. Correct? Pi by 4 by 2 is pi by 8. This is sin pi by 4 divided by 1 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. By 1 plus cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 divided by root 2 is LCM. This is 1 into root 2 is root 2 plus 1. Root 2 cancels. What you get is 1 by root 2 plus 1. Tan pi by 8 is 1 by root 2 plus 1. If you rationalize this, multiply and divide by the conjugate, root 2 minus 1. Here denominator will be a plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared, that is root 2 minus 1 by 1, that is root 2 minus 1. Tan pi that is root 2 minus 1, same as 1 by root 2 plus 1. Both are correct. Both are same. 1 by root 2 plus 1, same as root 2 minus 1. So required answer is 1 by root 2 plus 1 in this case. It's better to memorize this so that you can answer it directly. It's very standard. Tan pi by 8. Pi by 8 is 22 and a half degree. Pi by 8 is 22 and a half degree. Okay? Remember that. Pi by 8 is 22 and a half degree. 3 pi by 8 is 67 and a half degree. Pi by 8 is 22 and a half degree. And 3 pi by 8 is 67 and a half degree. Tan pi by 8 is tan 22 and a half. Tan 3 pi by 8 is tan of 67 and a half. In terms of degrees and ratings, you must know the relationship also. You write the chapter test, chapter test means chapter summary. Take a chart, big chart, write all the formulas of trigonometry, okay? Maybe which is required for board exams as well as competitive exams, both you write. And write all the values of sin 15, cos 15, sin 75, cos 75, sin 18, cos 36, sin 36, cos 36, all those values. All those values right. Sin 18 degree, root 5 minus 1 by 4, cos 36, root 5 plus 1 by 4, sin 36, root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, cos 18 degree, root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Correct? All those things. Make a chart. Whatever I told, whatever I explained, everything you write in brief, in short, like all the formulas, general solutions of trigonometric equations, compound angle formulas, allied angles, standard angles, correct? Various things. Tan theta plus cot theta minus tan theta, tan of pi by 4 plus theta plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta, all those things. If tan x plus secant x equal to p, then the sides of the right angle triangle are p square minus 1, 2p and p square plus 1, such things, everything. Tan x, secant x plus tan x and secant x minus tan x are reciprocals. 1 by sec x plus tan x is sec x minus tan x. 1 by cosec x plus cot x is cosec x minus cot x, such things. Make a note for all those things. Like that you do it for each and every chapter, okay? Not only this chapter, trigonometry, maybe inverse trigonometry or complex numbers, differentiation, integration, each and every chapter, make a chapter notes. Take a big chart, and then chart write all the formulas. Try to write without seeing, okay? Recall these formulas because learning is possible for everybody, but you may forget it soon. So, recall it, revise it every now and then so that you must not forget the formulas, okay? Next one, tan E is equal to half, 33rd. tan A is equal to 1 by 2. Tan B is equal to 1 by 3. What is the value of tan of 2A plus B? Tan of 2A plus B. Tan of 2A plus B, apply the formula. Tan of x plus y. What is tan of x plus y? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y, right? Tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x plus y. Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. What is tan 2a? Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. You have to find out separately the value of tan 2a. Tan 2a, you have to find out 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Tan a is half, no? From this you find out 2 into tan a is half by 1 minus half square is 1 by 4. 2 into half is 1. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. All these things will work, correct? 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 1 by 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So substitute here. Tan 2 is 4 by 3. Tan B is already given 1 by 3. Divided by denominator 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Some students, what they do, no? Tan 2 is write 2 tan. It's not 2. Tan 2a is not 2 tan A. Don't get confused like this. Tan 2a cannot be equal to 2 tan A. This is absolutely wrong. If that was so easy, then why to derive all these formulas, correct? Tan 2a is not taking 2 outside the function and writing 2 tan. It's not possible like that. If you do that, it becomes a mistake. Okay? Because 2a is an angle there. 2a is not a number. It's an angle present within the function. 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 5 by 3. 1 minus 4 by 9. Numerator is 5 by 3, denominator is 5 by 9, 5 by cancel, 1 by 3 by 1 by 9, 9 by 3, that is 3. Tan of 2a plus b, that is equal to 3. So required answer is 3, which is option 3. Next one, cos 25 degree plus sin 25 degree is given as k. You need to find the value of cos 50 degree. You know that 50 is a double of 25. That is the first thing to be noted here. Cos 50 you have to find out using the relation cos 25 degree plus sin 25 degree is equal to k. Because in the options you can see there is square root. What we do is we do squaring on both sides first. Read the question properly, observe carefully whatever is given, and look at the options also to get the idea about the problem. How to start the problem, that is the most important thing. Cos 25 degree plus sin 25 degree is given to be equal to k. Need to find cos 50. 50 is double of 25. So what we'll do is do squaring on both sides. When you do squaring on both sides, angle gets double here. 25 double is 50, correct? A plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, correct? So given cos 25 degree plus sin 25 degree is equal to k. Cos 25 degree plus sin 25 degree is equal to k. Do squaring on both this given equation. Squaring on both sides. What do you get? Cos 25 degree plus sin 25 degree the whole square is equal to k square. Expand it. A plus b the whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2a. 2 into cos 25 degree into sin 25 degree is equal to k square. A plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. And this is 2 sin theta cos theta. No, sin 2 theta, right? This is sin of double the angle. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Double the angle. Theta double is 2 theta. 25 double is 50. This becomes sin 50. And further here angles are same. No? Angles are same. Cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square plus sin square is 1. 1 plus sin 50 degree is equal to k square. So what you get is sin 50 degree is equal to k square minus 1. Correct? Sin 50 is k square minus 1. From this cos 50 on, cos square 50 degree plus sin square 50 degree is equal to 1. Cos square plus sin square is 1. So what you get is Sin square 50 degree is equal to 1 minus cos square 50. And 50 degree is the first coordinate angle, so it will take the positive square root of 1 minus cos square 50. That is square root of 1 minus, sorry, I want to find cos 50, no? So rearrange it properly. That right here. Need to find cos 50. So cos square 50 degree is equal to 1 minus sin square 50 degree. Cos 50 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square 50 degree. Square root of 1 minus sin 50 is what? K square minus 1 the whole square. Expand it. Root of 1 minus expand it. K power 4 plus 1 minus 2k square. Open the bracket. 1 minus 1 0 you get 2k square minus k power 4. Take k square is common. 2 minus k square. So what you get is k into root of 2 minus k square. So required answer is k into root of 2 minus k square, which is option 2. Second option. Last one. Try this. Sin 2 theta is given as k. You need to find the value of tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta. Right? Tan is sin by cos and cot is cos by sin, and go on simplify it. Sin 2 theta is k. Tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta. Tan cube is sin cube divided by cos cube. 1 plus tan square is sin square divided by cos square. This is cos cube divided by sin cube. 1 plus this is cos square theta by sin square theta. Take LCM in the denominator. Go on simplify this. Denominator is cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus this is cos cube theta by sin cube theta. Denominator is cos square plus sin square divided by sin square. Sin square plus cos square is 1 we know. Correct? Here one of the cos will cancel. One cos remains. Here sin square cancels. Sin remains. So what do you get? Sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus cos cube theta divided by sin theta. Take common denominator here. Cos theta into sin theta. So what do you get is sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Already I gave the formula for sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, which is how much? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Familiar formula. This is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay? You have to express the answer in terms of k. What is given to us? Sin 2 theta is k. Now from this 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to k. Correct? Write in a formula for sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. From this we can extract what is sin theta cos theta. This is k by 2. So this will be equal to 1 minus 2 into sin theta cos theta is k by 2. K by 2 the option. Sin theta cos theta is k by 2. Go on simplify this. 1 minus 2 into k by 2 square is k square by 4. This is k by 2. This is 1 minus k square by 2 by k by 2. Or take LCM and simplify. 2 minus k square by 2 by k by 2. 2 minus k square by k. So answer for this is 2 minus k square divided by k. Homework problems, please complete it. If any doubt is there, you can message me. Okay. 20 questions are there. One question is there on heights and distance. I'll work out this 20th one. Last question of the paper. 20th one. Homework section. A vertical tower is there AB, having its end A on the level ground. C is the midpoint of AB. Read the question. Draw the figure first. Whenever a practical problem is asked, draw the figure for that. Express it mathematically. What is required, what is given. What is given you write down first. What is required. Vertical tower is there. It stands on the level ground. Vertical tower is standing on the level ground. C is the midpoint of AB. A vertical tower AB is there. Vertical tower AB is there, having its end A on the level ground. C is the midpoint of AB. P is the point on the ground such that level A on the end A is on the level ground. So A is on the level ground. C is the midpoint of AB. P is a point on the ground. P is a point on the ground like this, such that AP is 2 times AB. AP is 2 times AB. So you take AP as, put it in mathematical form, AP is 2 times AB. Angle BPC is given, angle BPC, join this. Angle BPC is given to be equal to beta. You have to find what is tan beta, how much. Take this angle as alpha, okay. Take this angle as alpha, angle APC, take it as alpha. This is 90 degree. So we can define trigonometric functions in the right angle triangle. Further, what is given, AP is 2 times AB. Suppose AP is x, if this is x, okay, then AB becomes how much? AP by 2, x by 2. And C is the midpoint of AB, no? So this length is equal to this length. This will be x by 4. This also x by 4. So x by 4 plus x by 4 will be x by 2. Okay? Tan of alpha plus beta. Tan of alpha plus beta I write down. Correct? Tan of alpha plus beta. This is a right angle triangle. APB is a right angle triangle. Tan of alpha plus beta is opposite by adjacent. This sum is x by 2. X by 2 divided by x, opposite by adjacent. Tan of alpha plus beta is half. Tan of alpha plus beta is what? Tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, which is equal to 1 by 2. Correct? Tan alpha I can define from this triangle, no? In triangle ACP we can define tan alpha. Tan alpha is opposite by x by 4 divided by x, that is 1 by 4. Tan alpha is 1 by 4 plus tan beta divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 into tan beta is equal to 1 by 2. Take LCM and simplify this, you get the answer. Tan beta is 2 by 9, okay? So almost everything we completed. Learn all the concepts in trigonometry, that's the most important. Shortcuts, formulas, results, trigonometry. Write down all the results in a sheet of paper in 1 page so that for ready reference to be there, okay? Then work out the problems. Work out the problems from exemplar book, exactly exemplar book as well as previous exam questions. CEP 2001 onwards, you can work out last 20 years question paper, you can work out. Variety of questions you get. Okay. Any doubt is that you can message me. My contact number is, I'll give you, 9964 584862. Okay. Any doubts regarding the CET exam for mathematics subject for this year, you can ask Abhiram Bharadwaj. Okay. You can WhatsApp me. Double 964584862. Okay. Any doubt is that please you can send messages only for clearing doubts. Okay. Regarding mathematics subject. Okay. Thank you. All the best. More weightage will be for second few topics, okay? 45 questions you can expect from second few topic, 15 questions from first few. Those are preparing for CET exams. Do well, all the best. Thank you.